We'll guide you through how to link Claude with WordPress. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Start by launching the Google Chrome browser on your desktop or laptop computer. Click the address bar at the top and type WordPress into the search bar to locate the official platform. Press Enter to run the search and click the official WordPress link from the search results to reach the homepage. Click the Start My Site button in the center and select Continue with Google for a quick and secure sign-in experience. Choose the Google account you want to associate with your website profile. Scroll through the permissions page and click Continue. Enter a name for your website if you're setting it up now. Click the Search Domains button to browse web addresses and select the domain option that best suits your project. Click Add to Cart next to the web address and click Continue to advance to the next step. Select Start with a free plan from the pricing options and click Continue with Free Plan to enter your site's management dashboard. Wait a moment for your WordPress workspace to fully load and display on the screen. Once loaded, click on your profile icon located in the top right corner of the screen and select My WordPress Account from the drop-down menu. Click on the AI and MCP option from the left side navigation menu and toggle on or click Enable MCP Access to activate the feature. Open a new browser tab and click on the address bar. Type Claude AI and press Enter to search. Click on the official Claude AI website from the search results. If you're already logged in, you'll be taken directly to your own Claude dashboard. Click on your profile icon located in the bottom left corner of the screen and select Settings from a menu that appears. Navigate directly to the Connectors section in the Settings menu and click Browse Connectors to explore available integrations. Click the search bar and type WordPress to find a connector. Click the plus button next to the WordPress result to begin the linking process. You will be redirected to the Connect Account confirmation page. Click Approve to authorize the connection between Claude and WordPress. Your WordPress account is now successfully linked to Claude and is ready.